Dear brothers and sisters, today I would like to give you an advice of 35 important items to be remembered so that before you start your Hajj, you should have completed. Number one, when you are wearing the ihram, please make sure that you make a conditional intention. You will say, what is conditional intention? Include the word that, oh Allah, if I am stopped from performing Umrah or performing Hajj for any reason, for medical reason or any accident or anything, then I will come out of the ihram. If you make this niyyah at the time of wearing ihram, then you don't have to do any dam, you don't have to slaughter an animal. When you're doing the tawaf, wudu is a must. When you're doing a sahi, wudu is preferred, is not a must. Ladies should not wear the gloves and should, I will just stop. To kiss the black stone is a sunnah and to push haji is haram. So please make sure that you don't do any haram while you're performing Hajj. As far as you are just seeing the black stone, just move around with the people. Don't try to push the Hajis. Pushing Hajis in Tawaf is haram. To offer 2 rak'ah as Maqam Ibrahim is not a must. You can read those 2 rak'ah anywhere in Haram and it is acceptable. To touch Rukn Yamani is a sunnah, but to make a hand signature or a hand sign from the far away is not a sunnah. Tawaful Hajj and Tawaful Wida can be combined if you were to leave immediately after. Shaving head is better, and Prophet ﷺ prayed for that person 3 times. Cutting hair is also acceptable, and the Prophet ﷺ made a dua once for that person. No perfume should be put on the ihram. However, you can put the perfume on your body before you putting on the ihram. Visiting the Prophet grave is not part of. Okay. Visiting the Prophet Mosque is not a part of Hajj. Yes, going to Medina is not a part of Hajj. But when you're going to Medina, you must make the intention that you are going to visit the Prophet Mosque, not the Prophet grave. Please remember, this is very, very important. You can travel only to make a niyyah for 3 mosques: Kaaba, Prophet Mosque, and Masjid al-Aqsa. Dear brothers, remember that if you made a mistake, then dam must be given, and dam, that means to slaughter an animal, which can only be given in Makkah, not in Medina, not any part of Saudi Arabia, not in Pakistan or any other country. To perform tawaf inside the hatim is not acceptable, is not counted. You must include the hatim in your tawaf. Ladies can take medicine and can take injection to delay their periods, and this is acceptable. Dear brothers and sisters, remember that our best friend, Mr. Iblis, is there very nearby us, and they are doing the overtime to ensure that to spoil your Hajj. Please be careful of him. Hitting the shaitan with the big stones, with shoes, and cursing on shaitan at the time of throwing the shaitan is not acceptable. After doing Tawaful Wida, going out of the Makkah and going backward is not acceptable, and it is not correct. And if you are in doubt, always take the lower number of rounds when in doing the tawaf. Ladies should not do the makeup or use perfume during the whole period, and especially on the Eid day. When you're going to do the stoning for shaitan, there is no need to wash the stones. Whatever you pick it up, you can throw that stones on the shaitan. Tawaf al-Wida is not required for those ladies who are having the period. Can we change the ihram? Yes, you can change the ihram if it is required. Can we remove our ihram? Yes, you can remove your ihram. The men can remove their upper portion among the men, and the women can remove their headgear among the ladies. Can ladies do their masa over rubbing their headgear? Answer is no. They must remove their headgear when doing the masa to ensure that their hand is going over their hair. Can men use bed sheet or other blanket to cover their face and head? Answer is no. The man's head and the face must not be covered. Do we enter into the ihram by wearing the 2 white sheet? No. After wearing the 2 white sheet, you must read 2 rak'ah salah. Then you make the niyyah. Then you read the talbiyah. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Labbaik la sharika laka labbaik. Innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika lak. Now, after reading 3 times, you are in the state of ihram. This is the important thing we should know. Can I put ihram from the Jeddah airport? Answer is no, because Jeddah airport is already inside the miqat. What is Ramal? Ramal is the one that you are walking fast the first 3 rounds of tawaf, like a wrestler. You are moving your shoulder, but if you can get the space. What is istamba? That in the first 3 rounds, you must have your right shoulder for the men should be naked. The ihram should be, make sure is going under your armpit, and this right shoulder should be naked. Okay. Istamba. Okay. What is istamba? Istamba is making sure that your right shoulder is naked when you are making the tawaf. Can men wear socks and cover face during their hajj? No, men should not use socks and should not cover their face. Can men and women can use face mask on their nose and their mouth to protect themselves? Answer is yes. Human life is very important. Islam protects human life. So you can use the face mask to protect yourself. Dear brothers and sisters, these are the practical 35 items for you. Please make sure that you will understand and remember. May Allah make your Hajj easy and acceptable. Thank you.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك